Hello everybody, thank you for watching. It's New Year's Eve 2017, that's December 31st, 2017. Anyways, it's a year-end review and a channel update. This is my Lifespan Fitness treadmill, and today I'm just going over some maintenance. I haven't used my treadmill in over a week because of Christmas, and I'm lubricating it with this silicone lubricant, which goes underneath the belt, not on top but underneath, and you have to lift up this belt and squirt it inside of there. And what that does is it allows the belt to slide across the flat surface underneath reasonably well. After not using it for a week, it's sticking a little bit. This is a monthly procedure, maybe every 2 weeks depending on usage. The other thing is I lifted this lid so that I can get behind here and inspect the motor and look for dust, any dog hair or cat hair that may have gotten behind there. It does collect, and that's something you want to vacuum out once a month. So leaving it running for about 3 to 4 minutes will allow the lubricant to spread across the flat surface. So that is silicone lubricant, 100% silicone oil. One other update is I switched to some different shoes. These are some Columbia shoes with open mesh, and the soles come out from inside of the shoe so they can be washed. This open mesh design is excellent for keeping your feet cool. Over here I used to wear those, but I don't usually wear them anymore. These are a lot more lightweight, and they're cushiony, which is essential if you're walking on this thing about 10 hours a day. So I had a question from tropicalfitness.com, which was, how wide is this desk? Is it 38 or 48? So I thought that we would take this and measure it. I'm going to stop so I can step here. So all I have is a metric tape measure, so we'll have to use that and calculate it. So from this end over to here, right there, is 967 millimeters long. So that is 38 inches. And then that pretty much gives it away. So 38. So if you add about this much more distance on each side, you'll have some more space for extra clutter on your desk, or maybe spread it out a little bit more. One of the things I've added to this is a fan on each side, so during the summertime I feel a little bit cooler, or even in the wintertime. In my office I block off the heat in here and walk on the treadmill because it gets warm. There's my chair that sits unused. Over here I've also put boards underneath it from my floors downstairs. I had some extra boards left over, so I put them underneath. That stabilizes a little bit more, and if you have nice carpet, it'll keep it from ruining the carpet. And this is the end of the year, so let's take a look and see how many steps. There's an app that comes with this. So 4.8 million steps in 1 year. 2,399 kilometers. So it's a pretty good year this year. 407,000 steps per month average, and I get about 25 to 30,000 steps a day. It just depends. Some days more, some days less. Yeah, I do a lot of work on the system, and I do not regret giving up the chair. So thank you for watching. Have a great 2018. I thought I would just end with this and a little bit of an update. Thank you very much.